Welcome to the future of finance. Gone are the days of slow, error-prone processes. With the Automation Success Platform, you can deliver cost savings and healthy cash flow with a single AI-powered, cloud-native solution that can intelligently automate finance processes end-to-end. From invoice processing to statement reconciliation, from fraud detection to tax filing, automation can cut out the need for manual intervention, leading to fewer errors, faster data access, and more productive teams. With the power of intelligent automation, you can seamlessly connect to your existing systems and achieve a comprehensive and cohesive workflow. We'll start by assessing your existing processes for inefficiencies. We'll do this by looking for variations across the enterprise by leveraging AI-powered process discovery. This extracts data and analyzes processes to produce a process map with recommendations for further analysis. With your priorities in order from process discovery, our low-code, no-code automation workspace provides the power of custom scripting and the ease of drag-and-drop automation building for both professional and citizen developers, so they can quickly build and deploy intelligent automation. And with document automation, you can do more faster. Quickly extract and embed data from invoices, contracts, and other unstructured data into the flow of work. This removes the barriers caused by siloed data, leading to more great work and less grunt work. And you can empower your finance team to leverage the power of automation and AI with the Automation CoPilot. You can create a frictionless user experience to accelerate productivity using intelligent automation and get tangible business impacts right in the applications they use with embedded automation. And finally, share metrics and provide visibility to executives with CoE Manager. This gives you the power to manage and monitor your automation pipeline, delivery, and ROI metrics. All this is possible with Automation Anywhere.